What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencian. Welcome back to True Asia Diaries. Mega live shoutout mga ka-RCFC all around the world. We are back for another requested reaction for Ruel Carino para sa kanyang performance ng Mamang Sorbetero by Celeste Legaspi. Oh my God, gusto ko tong song na to. Tingnan natin kung magiging goofy si Ruel and how he will interpret this song, Alamat Monroe, or maybe his original vocal. And of course, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Pogi ni Ryan. I love the outfit.
Mamang sorbetero, anong ngalan mo?
Ang cute.
Tinda mong ice cream, gusto ko.
Ay, Matt Monroe pa rin yung ginagamit niya. Pero parang Ruel vocal na siya. Kasi ganun yung, parang ganun din yung normal vocal ni Ruel. Very buo na low tone in a way. Diba? Ganun yun. Balikan natin.
Mamang sorbetero, anong ngalan mo? Tinda mong ice cream, gusto ko.
Cute!
Init
So kayo
ng
mga
buhay,
small movements ng ganyan.
Sama ng loob, nalilimutan ko.
Diba? Ang cute! Parang dapat mag-smile pa si Ruel.
Gusto ko. Init ng buhay, pinapawi mo. Sama ng loob, nalilimutan ko.
Diba? Sana sumayaw-sayaw siya or ilabas niya yung pagiging goofy niya sa mga ganitong song.
Ang sorbetero, tayo'y sumayaw. Kalimbang mong hawak, muling
Ay,
ikaw.
siya na nung contestant. Siya na lang yung sumayaw for Ruel. Balikan natin.
Nalilimutan ko. Mamang sorbetero, tayo'y sumayaw. Kalimbang mong hawak, muling
Oh, diba? Kumagat pa siya.
Batang munti sa'yo'y naghihintay. Tinda mong ice cream, gusto ko.
Parang natawa siya doon. Parang, tama ba ako? Parang ganun yung nangyari. Bunso, ikaw, Balikan natin.
Batang munti sa'yo'y naghihintay. Tinda mong ice cream, gusto ko.
Parang namali ata yung lyrics.
Sa papawid, konting sorbete sa pisngi ng langit.
Parang, do they go rehearsal before they perform here, guys? Kasi, parang, I know that Ruel is very serious in doing Matt Monroe, but parang hindi ba inaano ng stage manager like to be lively? Kasi it's a lively song. It's not that I'm mocking Ruel, but it's just that the way that he interprets it, very Matt Monroe pa rin yung seryoso, hindi masyadong ngumingiti, yung ganun, 'di ba? Parang na-embodied niya na talaga yung pagiging seryoso ni Matt Monroe.
Ang talagay nananaginip. Mayroong sikretong may sinasa isip. La 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 la.
Parang yung la 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 saka yung kanta ni Bossing, no?
Isip. La 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 la.
Diba? Ayan, medyo na siya. Sumasayaw-sayaw na siya.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Hey! There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino singing Mamang Sorbetero in Eat Bulaga na very serious. Nung bandang huli medyo nag-loosen up na siya, tas umaano na yung galaw niya. But I hope na, my question is kung nagre-rehearse ba sila before the show. Once again, guys, this is just an honest opinion. that I thought he's gonna be more goofy. Kasi yung mga napanood kong performance niya, tulad nung kay Lea Patricio, yung sa May Bataan, napaka-goofy, no? Very, very Ruel yung goofiness, yung entertaining performance. Pero napansin ko sa dalawang na-reactan natin ng Eat Bulaga performance, it's very serious ang Ruel. So hindi ko alam anong nangyayari, guys, kasi it's not the typical goofy Ruel, 'di ba? May mga natatawa siya dun sa ibang parts, tapos gumagalaw, pero hindi yung natural na Ruel na napapanood natin. I'm just being honest on that, guys. Kung alam nyo ang dahilan, you can let me know. Maybe kailangan Matt Monroe siya, kaya seryoso siya sa Clones Open segment ng Eat Bulaga. But nonetheless, of course, I love the vocal. I love how he sing it. It's very entertaining. And of course, it's still our bunso. So definitely we enjoyed that performance. And I know you enjoy, guys. You can comment down below. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video or hindi nyo rin nagustuhan, you can comment down below and pag-usapan natin yan. O, chika-chika tayo mga kababayan. So please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.